The next evolution of foldable smartphones is almost here, and all eyes are on Samsung as early leaks around the Galaxy Z Fold 7 begin to surface, pointing toward July 2025 reveal at the much-anticipated Unpacked event, where this futuristic device is expected to headline alongside its sibling, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and possibly even a never-before-seen trifold smartphone. Yes, a trifold, which will completely redefine mobile form factors. While details on the Flip 7 remain scarce, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already making waves in the tech community with some major upgrades rumored to be in the pipeline. And if these leaks hold true, Samsung could be setting a new gold standard in the foldable segment. Starting with the display, the Z Fold 7 is expected to feature an expansive 8.2-inch inner AMOLED screen, delivering rich colors, deep contrast, and an immersive tablet-like experience when unfolded, perfect for productivity, entertainment, and everything in between, while the 6.5-inch outer AMOLED display ensures smooth usability in its folded state, with vibrant visuals and improved brightness that make using the phone on the go a breeze. Under the hood, we're looking at powerhouse specs, including the rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chip yet, which is expected to offer blazing fast performance, superior energy efficiency, and enhanced AI processing, making multitasking, gaming, and everyday use smoother and smarter than ever before. And with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage, this phone is clearly geared toward power users who demand speed and space. But Samsung isn't stopping there. One of the most jaw-dropping upgrades could be in the camera department, where leaks suggest a massive 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto shooter will combine to offer versatile and professional-grade mobile photography experience, capturing every detail with incredible clarity and dynamic range. Whether you're snapping a landscape, zooming into a distant subject, or shooting in low light. And for selfies and video calls, the Fold 7 is expected to house both a 10MP front-facing camera and a 4MP under-display camera for seamless inter-screen interaction, offering users flexibility and cutting-edge tech without compromising on design. Powering all this innovation is a 4,400 mAh battery, which, although unchanged from its predecessor, is expected to be optimized through software enhancements and the energy-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, potentially offering longer screen-on time and faster charging speeds. On the software front, Samsung is likely to build upon its already impressive foldable optimized One UI, bringing new multitasking features, better app continuity, and even smoother user experience across both displays, ensuring the Fold 7 feels more intuitive, responsive, and futuristic than ever before. With foldables continuing to grow in popularity and competition, heating up from rivals like Google's Pixel Fold and OnePlus upcoming entries, Samsung is clearly doubling down on what it does best: innovation and refinement. As for pricing, if the leaks are accurate, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could launch in India at around Indian rupee 164, $999 for the 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes variant, which positions it firmly in the ultra-premium category, but matches the cutting-edge tech it brings to the table. And let's be honest, early adopters and tech enthusiasts won't hesitate to pay the premium for the experience this phone is expected to deliver. And with the global launch expected in July during the Unpacked event, fans won't have to wait too long to see the final product in action. Even more exciting is a buzz about Samsung potentially unveiling its first trifold smartphone alongside the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, a concept that, if realized, could represent the next major shift in mobile design, offering 3 panels that fold out into a full tablet. And if anyone can pull that off successfully, it's Samsung, the leader in foldable innovation. But for now, the spotlight is firmly on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which appears to be a refined, reimagined, and more powerful version of its predecessors, combining a sleek design, beastly performance, a professional-grade camera system, and software tailored specifically for the foldable lifestyle. Whether you're a productivity powerhouse who wants the ultimate multitasking machine, a content creator who values camera excellence, or simply a tech enthusiast eager to own the future in your pocket, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to deliver on all fronts. So, as we inch closer to July and more leaks inevitably surface, one thing is clear: The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just be Samsung's most ambitious foldable yet, and it could redefine what premium smartphones look and feel like in 2025. Stay tuned, because we'll be covering every new leak, spec confirmation, and design reveal right here. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the future of foldables is unfolding before our eyes, and you won't want to miss a second of it. Only on TechVerse.